Hello everyone there in class 9th. I am here again as I have promised you that I'll send you a video on the topic that I'm going to teach you in English. Okay? So here is our book Beehive, the textbook in English for class 9th, and hope you all have enjoyed the first chapter, the fun they had. है कि नहीं? Enjoy किया था ना? And hope you have understood and done all these question answers that I have asked you to do in your English notebook. Some of the students, they have sent me their answers as well, and those who haven't done yet, please beta do all these question answers in your English book. So here I'm going to teach you the grammar portion that is at the back of the chapter. And the topic is adverb. So how you will define adverb? The words that add something to the verbs. And what are verbs? Verbs are the action and doing words, isn't it? So when you're going to add or describe verbs, it will become adverb. For example, if I say he runs. So run is what? Run is verb, isn't it? But if I say he runs fast, he runs slowly. So what are fast and slowly? They are adverbs because they are adding something to the verb. Okay, so verb is kriya in Hindi and adverb is kriya visheshan in Hindi. ठीक है ना? तो जो शब्द वर्ब को, क्रिया को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं या उसमें कुछ ऐड करते हैं, वो क्या बन जाते हैं? क्रिया विशेषण. ओके, सो यू डोंट हैव टू क्रैम द डेफिनेशन. जैसे नाम दिख रहा है ना, एडवर्ब, सो यू हैव टू से द डेफिनेशन एज द वर्ड्स दैट ऐड समथिंग टू द वर्ब्स. एंड यू नो दैट you have learnt in your previous classes about the types of adverbs. Adverbs were adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency. है कि नहीं? पढ़ा था ना? So adverb of manner तो बताता है कि how, कैसे जो है कोई भी verb काम कर रहा है. And generally जो ऐसे adverb of manner होते हैं ना, so they are made by adding ly at the end. किसी भी adjective के end में if we add ly, it will become adverb. Okay, so here the word complete is an adjective. Adjective का मतलब होता है विशेषण that adds something to the noun or pronoun that you know very well. And if we add ly to it, it will become an adverb. Okay, so in this first exercise, these are some adverbs that already have come in the chapter, in the lesson. ठीक है? तो you must know the meaning of all these adverbs. If you don't, then go back to the chapter. You will find there, or you can search them in the dictionary. You have to find yourself. Until and unless you know the meaning of all these adverbs, you cannot do the exercise second. So what is the second exercise? You have to fill in these blanks with all these adverbs given correctly. And you have to do it in the book itself, in pencil. Okay? You have to fill in these blanks with these adverbs in book itself in pencil. Okay, so here again the definition comes. An adverb describes action, and we can form adverbs by adding ly to adjective. Here it is, everything is written. Okay, now the spelling part. The spelling and the pronunciation part is a very must in English. Okay, so here it is given a note that if an adjective ends in y, अगर कोई भी adjective y से end होता है, यहाँ पर generally it is not there. Okay, तो अगर कोई भी, for example, angry, it is ending in y, isn't it? So what you have to do, you have to replace this y to I, and you have to end it, add ly to form an adverb. You know, angry, it is ending in y. You have to replace it with I and add ly to it. तो angrily इसका spelling सही बन जाएगा. ly नहीं बनाना है आपको, ठीक है ना? So for the next exercise, it will help you. Here, what you have to do, you have to make adverbs from these adjectives, and every adjective is ending in y. And you have, what you have to do, you have to replace all these y in I, and you have to ly, add ly to it. Okay, so you have to do this exercise in book itself in pencil, and the next one I will send you another video for this section. Okay, so hope you have understood, and happy learning and enjoy. Okay, thank you.